Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Sleek Treat. This is the April box, so I'm late as usual. So if you're not familiar with Sleek Treat, this is a monthly sugar-free subscription box. It conforms to low-carb, high-fat diets, keto diets, diabetic diets, all that stuff. So if you're just looking to lose weight, or you're trying to live a more healthy lifestyle, or you do have dietary restrictions, this box is going to send you snacks that will rock your socks. It's $34.99 each month. You do have an option to have it cold shipped for $5 extra. It contains 5 to 8 artisanal snacks. They do the legwork for you. I have found some amazing, tasty treats in this box. It's small, but it's mighty. I'll just say that. So let's open it up. And we always get this card that's really informative. Like, they go through all the ingredients. They tell us what we're getting, and like what sugar alternative is used in case you're sensitive to like sugar alcohols, or if, for instance, or something like that. So that's always handy. And then there's a little promo for my favorite chocolate on earth is the good chocolate. My cat is outside the door, and of course, oh my goodness, she is not happy that she's not in here right now. All right. Oh yes. All right. So right on top we have a whole bunch of the good chocolate. I love the salted almonds is my favorite, but this is also the mint, which I don't know if I've ever tried that. These are the single squares. I actually still have, I break off a little piece here and there of the big bar of the salted almond. This is the Himalayan salt though, so there's an assortment in here, which is nice. Those are so good for, it just has this creamy flavor. I can't even describe it. It's just so good. All right. So this is the Grenade Bar Carb Killa High Protein Bar. This is the peanut butter flavor. I was interrupted. So anyway, this is a high protein bar. You can keep this in your purse, keep it in your desk, split it up between 2 meals because it's huge. It's like 2.12 ounces, which is a large bar. We'll look at the end of the video to see the sugar alternatives that each of these use. Okay. Oh, here's something that's right up my alley. This is just the cheese. Crunchy toasted cheese, nothing else. Oh, so it's like eating a grilled cheese sandwich, but no bread, none of the carbs. That's awesome. There are these things called wisps. They're like Parmesan, I want to say crackers. It's like melted. Oh, they're so amazing. I'm hoping this is like that. I cannot wait to try these. So I actually tried to make those at home, wisps. It did not go well. It was not what... You have to actually use the cheese and not like the sprinkly stuff in the container. So anyway, I'm excited to try those. Wow, this box is super full, right? Like there's still a ton of stuff to come. All right, then we've got Fat Snacks chocolate chip cookies. These are super good. These are made with, what is it that they use? I don't remember. Like they have like a protein, a plant protein that they use, like a proprietary blend or something. But they're super like soft and they just crumble in your mouth. Very good. All right, next we have Smart Cake. Okay, so they've sent cinnamon Smart Cakes, vanilla Smart Cakes. These are tangerine Smart Cakes, and there's 2 in here. These are made with stevia. These are really good, and they come in like a cupcake. They're just super cute. I love it. All right, we have received the items from them before. All right, here we have some organic herbal tea. Ooh. So this is from Simply Balanced. These are fair trade and organic. There's 2 tea bags here. The first is organic white herbal tea blend in peach honey. So white herbal tea is, I think of white tea. Is it white tea and herbs? Because I always think herbal tea is non-caffeinated. So this one is just organic herbal tea and mint. So I'm excited to try those. All right, so this does have a little bit of caffeine, and this one is obviously caffeine-free. All right, next we have Vitalize. I love these. These mints are amazing. They look like little pieces of ice. They used to come, do they come in always in this pack? I can't remember. Is this terrible? I'm getting old. No, it's that I see so many products, I forget the packaging. But I do know I love these. They're so good. They're made with xylitol, which is like, I like the sugar alcohols. I think they taste really authentic. If you want something that is very sweet without tasting, you know, artificial, it's the way to go. These are watermelon flavored. I think I've tried the apple and maybe a lemon. I don't know, so I'm excited to try those. And then finally we have from Hi-Fi Bar, who these guys make, you know, like very good, nutritious snacks. This is their coconut cranberry granola. Look at those giant almonds in there. Yum, yum, yum. So that is everything. Let's look at our card. There's tons of stuff this month to see what each is sweetened with. All right, so the Smart Cakes are sweetened with erythritol and monk fruit. Ooh, I kind of would have sworn they were sweetened with stevia. All right, just the cheese. There's no sweetener in there. It's just cheese. I mean, Wisconsin cheese, natural Wisconsin cheese. The good chocolates, those are sweetened with erythritol, mesquite powder, and stevia. The Fat Snacks chocolate chip cookies they use erythritol, xylitol, and stevia. The Vitalize mints are 100% xylitol. The Grenade Killer, they use maltitol, xylitol, and sucralose. The Hi-Fi bar uses monk fruit juice, which I really like that too. It's very natural. And then the Simply Organic teas, there's no sweetener in those. Try Simply Organic, balanced, keep saying Simply Organic. It's not Simply Organic, actually. Try Simply Balanced Organic Herbal Tea. Includes as a bonus to your box in mint, peach, honey, or orange spice. So that's really cool. That's just a box bonus. So that's everything I got in my Sleek Treat. If you're interested in the full review, I'll put that below. I'll also link to Sleek Treat so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.